Today we are going to show you how to insert a YouTube video in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I have a YouTube video and I want to embed it in my PowerPoint presentation. So what I have to do actually? So let's get started. Here I can easily copy the video link from here. Let me click on copy and I can easily go to PowerPoint and let me go to insert, go to video. Here click on online video. If I paste the link here, let me click on paste and you will see the video is here. And if I click on insert, you will see the video has been inserted. I can easily resize it, but if I click on here, the video will be played from the beginning. If I want to play the video in a specific range, so what actually have to do? Let me click on delete. Here in my browser, let me click on share. And if I click on here, start from 0.12 seconds, then my video will be start from 0.12 seconds in PowerPoint. I want to start the video from here 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So here let me click on this position and click on share. You will see the start at 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Let me click on here. Then you will see the link has changed. Let me click on copy and again go to insert, go to video, go to online video, paste the link here and click on insert. Resize it. As soon as I click the video, you will see two options has been appeared, the video format and playback. If I click on video, you will see the video has been started from 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So here I have some options. You will see I can easily use the frame from here. If I click on this one, the frame has been changed. If I click on this one, you will see the frame also changed. And here a option, poster frame. If I click on poster frame, click on image from file, click on from file. Actually the poster from image is I want to change the poster of this video. Let me show you. If I click on this image, click on insert, you will see the video poster has been changed. Go to poster format. Let me click on reset. You will see the poster disappeared. Here I have another option. Let me click on it. Start. If I click on, then when my presentation will be shown. If I click on this video, the video will be played. If I click on in click sequence, then as soon as I open this slide, the video will be played. I can easily add any transparent desktop picture. Let me click on insert, go to picture, go to this device, click on download. If I add this transparent monitor, let me resize it and I can easily place it this kind, then it will look like more dramatic. If I watch the slideshow, if I click on here, you will see my video is playing from 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.